Good day everyone, in this video I will show you how to set up this watch Casio B640. Anyway, if you want to know more about this watch, you can check our review in this channel. I will put the link in the description. Okay, first you need to be in the timekeeping mode, and to do that, press the mode button several times until you hear the high pitch beeping sound like this. Okay, and now we are in the timekeeping mode. And first I will show you how to do the LCD check for this watch. To do that, press 3 buttons at the same time: adjust, mode, and start. So you might want to hold the watch in this position and then press, especially for the adjust you will need to use your nail because it's a bit recessed like this. And yeah, now it shows the LCD check screen, and as you can see here, all the segment is showing. And then you can press the start stop button to move to the next screen again, and now return to the timekeeping mode. Okay, next is to set the time and calendar, and to do that, from the timekeeping mode, press this one, the adjust button on the top left, and you will see that the second is flashing or blinking. And from here you can set the second to become 0 by pressing this one, the start stop button. So if it is 29 or less, it will become 0 without additional minute, but if it is 30 or more, it will become 0 with additional minute. Next, press the mode button and we are moving to the hour. And this one you can press the start stop button to increase the number, okay, like this. And then press again the mode button, we are moving to this one, the minute. Again, use the start stop button to increase the number like this. Press the mode button again, now we are, this one is year, it will cycle up to 2099 and then starting again to 2000. So this one is 2020, and I will just press this one 3 times, so 2023. Again, press the mode button, now we are in the month, this one. You can use the start stop button to increase. So yeah, let me just push again, and yeah, October. Okay, press again the mode button, and now this one, the date, you can use this one to increase the number like that. And press again the mode button, now we are returned to the second. Anyway, in this adjust of the time, you can also set the time format from 12 hours to 24 hours. So to do that, just press the light button in this adjust. So you can do that at this flashing of the second, okay, or also the hour. So whichever, you can just press the light button and it will change from the AM, PM or 12 hours to become 24 hours format, and vice versa, and so on. Okay, and if you're done with the setting of time and calendar, you can press the adjust button and done. The date will automatically set the day, so you don't have to set like Monday, Tuesday, and so on. It will read from the calendar that you set. Okay, moving on, we can press the mode button, and now we are in this one, the alarm mode, and we can set by pressing the adjust button on the top left. Okay, if I want to set, let's say 6:50, okay, now, so this one, the hour is flashing, I can press the start stop button to increase. Oh, sorry, it should be 6. Let me repeat. Okay, 6, and then press the mode button to move to the next item, and that is this one, the minute. And I say that 6:50. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6:50, and then press again the mode button. It will now move to this one, the month. So this is a multifunction alarm, but I will just spare you the so many details. So we will just set for this video for the daily alarm. So we will just leave this one blank like this, and you can press again the mode button, and now is the date. If you want to set, you can set, but for this video I will just leave it blank like this. Okay, and if there are some numbers right there, just press the start stop button until it shows blank like this. Okay, press again the mode button, now return to the hour. And if you're done with the setting of the time, you can press the adjust button like this. Okay, sorry. Okay, done. And anyway, in this alarm mode, you can set which features are active. So in this case, this one, the alarm is active. And if you press the start stop button, it will show this one, the bell, meaning the hourly signal or hourly chime is active, so that you will get beeping sound every changing of the hour. Okay, if you press again the start stop button, both are active, meaning that the alarm is active and the hourly signal is also active. And if you press again, both are off, meaning the alarm and also the hourly signal is not active. So in this case, I will just activate both. Okay, so we can see a lot of icons on the screen right now. And yeah, let's move again to the next item, and that is press the mode button, and now we are returning to the timekeeping mode. And let's move on to this one, countdown timer. In the timer mode, you can set the countdown timer length by pressing the adjust button. So this one, okay. This is the hour, and then if you want to set, just press the start stop button. It will increase this one. Okay, let's say I want to set as 1 hour and 30 minutes. So this one is 1 hour, okay. And then press the mode button, it moves to this one, the minute. If I want to set as 30, then I can just press the start stop button. Okay, up to 30. Okay, and then press the mode button again. Now is the second. Let's say 1 hour, 30 minutes and 10 seconds. So it's a bit too detailed, but it's okay. So, okay, now the timer set as 1 hour, 30 minutes and 10 seconds. So if I press the mode button again, it will return to this one. And anyway, for this countdown timer, you can set the auto repeat function by pressing the light button. So this one, the auto repeat is off, and this one is on. So which one do you want? Just press the light button. Okay, and yeah, let me just set as auto repeat on or active. If you're done with the setting, you can just press the adjust button and done. You can start the countdown timer by pressing the start stop like this, okay, and you can stop by press again the start stop, and if you want to reset, just press the adjust button. Okay, next function is the stopwatch, but if you press this mode button, it will return to the timekeeping mode. So yeah, press 1, 2, 3. Now it's the stopwatch, and to use the stopwatch, just press the start stop button like this. You can start and then stop, and then start again, and then stop, and reset using the adjust button. Okay, or you can also use the split feature, so start, and then press this one. A bit difficult because it is recessed, so okay, this is split time, and then if you press again, then it will jump to the time that runs in the background. Okay, so you can stop again using this one, the stop, and then press the adjust button to reset. Okay, and that's all for the stopwatch. Okay, yeah, that's all. 1, 2, 3, and done. So all the function is there. Anyway, I will also show you how to activate the flash alert. So as you can see here, the icon is active, meaning if this watch is beeping, whether it's alarm or countdown timer, the screen backlight will also flashes. To activate the flash alert, just simple, press and hold the start stop button on the timekeeping mode. So this one. Okay, now it's not active, but if you want to activate, just press and hold. And now it's active. Okay, and that's all for the setting and also the tips for this watch, Casio B640. Hopefully useful, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you again in the next video. Bye.